Why you struggle to learn English despite workshops and YouTube videos? Okay, so kindly subscribe if you are new to this channel, and we are going to understand why most of the people are not able to learn English even after working so hard. Have you ever found yourself frustrated, wondering why mastering the English language seems to elude you, even after attending numerous workshops and diligently watching countless YouTube videos? Have you ever thought about it? Okay, so we are only going to discuss the challenges and your struggle and the way you are going to learn it. The journey to fluency can be challenging. It has been challenging for me as well, and several factors may contribute to the perceived difficulty, the way you perceive it. Firstly, the language environment plays a crucial role. Yes, it does. Attending workshops and watching videos may be sufficient if you lack immersion. Language acquisition thrives when learners are consistently exposed to real life situations, conversations, and cultural nuances. These things are really important if you really want to learn English. Mere theoretical knowledge often falls short when it comes to practical application. That is one of the biggest challenges. Moreover, the approach to learning matters. What kind of approach you have decided for yourself and what approach you have been following for long. Passive learning, such as merely listening to lectures or watching videos without active engagement, can hinder your progress. Please watch out if you are also a passive learner, just watching, listening, not participating. Learning a language requires participation, practice, and consistent effort. If you're not actively engaging with the material, the knowledge gained may not stick with you. You will forget whatever you are listening to because you are not practicing whatever you are learning. And language learning is a gradual process that demands patience and perseverance. It's not uncommon for individuals to feel discouraged, especially when progress appears very, very slow. Consistency is the key. I repeat, consistency is the key, and setting realistic expectation will help manage frustrations along the way. Another aspect to consider is the fear of making mistakes. Language acquisition involves trial and error, and it is perfectly normal to stumble during the learning process. I also did that. Embrace mistakes as a stepping stones to improvement rather than allowing them to become roadblocks to your progress. Furthermore, the quality of resources matters significantly. What resources you are approaching. Not all workshops on YouTube videos are created equal. It is crucial to choose resources that align with your learning style. We all have different learning styles, your skill level, and your goals. A mismatch can lead to confusion and hinder your overall comprehension and retention. Additionally, life demands and competing priorities can disrupt your learning routine as well. Consistency is paramount. It is important in language acquisition, and if you struggle to dedicate regular time to practice, progress may be slower than expected. In conclusion, the journey to mastering English involves a combination of effective learning, environments, active engagement, patience, embracing mistakes, choosing quality resources, and maintaining consistency. By understanding these factors and addressing them in your language learning approach, you can overcome the challenges that may be hindering your progress and move confidently toward English proficiency. Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.